Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you people are very fit and fine. Once again, welcome to online teaching. As you know that this is your English period. So now let's begin our today's class. Today we are going to start with the first lesson of this book. So the first lesson is The Little Plant. Okay, it's a poem and it is composed by Kate Louise Brown. So now, dear students, through this video, I am going to explain this poem. Okay, let's begin. Let's read. In the heart of a seed buried deep, so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. Dear students, here the poet is saying that there is a little tiny plant. Tiny means chota or a very small. So a very small plant is there inside the seed. Okay, in the heart of a seed, inside the seed. And where do we sow the seed? In the ground. There is a small seed, and in the seed there is a small plant which is still sleeping inside the seed. Next, wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. Here the poet is saying, in these four lines, the poet want to say, says that means when the seed will get the proper sunshine and the raindrops. Okay, and the raindrops means water, it will grow into a plant. So here the sunshine is asking the seed to grow up into the light. Creep means to grow or move. So here the sunshine is asking the plant to grow up to the light of sun, and raindrop is also saying the same to the plant. So here both the things, sunshine and this water, sunshine and this water are asking the plant which is still sleeping inside the seed to grow up and come out of the seed. And when the little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Dear students, that means plant, when it heard a voices of sunshine and the raindrops, it wakes up. Okay, it wakes up and it gradually comes out from the ground and see the wonderful world, जो कि क्या है, बाहर. Okay students, now I am explaining it again. This poem is about the seed. As you can see, there is a seed and इसके ऊपर क्या पड़ रही है, सनशाइन, एंड देन रेनफॉल मीन्स वाटर आ रहा है. और ग्रेजुअली जब दोनों चीज़ें इसको प्रॉपरली मिलती हैं तो इस सीड में से पहले एक वेरी स्मॉल प्लांट निकलता है. यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज द प्लांट, दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल. So this poem is about डेट ओनली, कि किस तरह एक सीड के अंदर एक प्लांट सो रहा है और उसको प्रॉपरली सनलाइट, जब उसको प्रॉपरली सनलाइट मिली, प्रॉपर वाटर मिला, और जब दोनों चीज़ें से प्रॉपरली मिली तो वह कैसे धीरे धीरे बाहर निकल कर आया। एंड इट रोज टू सी द वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड, एज वी नो दैट आवर वर्ल्ड इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड वंडरफुल। सो इसी तरह से ये जो प्लांट है वो बाहर निकल कर आया और इसने बाहर का वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड देखा। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई होप you all have understood this poem. Thank you and have a nice day.